Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie or Thrifty Native. You can find all my information such as my store, Poshmark closet, or my Instagram all down below. Or if you're curious as to what I use for subscriptions, that information is also down below. Click the link down there and you will find everything. So I am so excited to share something awesome that I recently discovered on eBay. They've rolled out a new listing tool and it might be a game changer when it comes to listing on eBay. I'm actually not sure how long it's been out, but I just stumbled across it one day and have been putting it to the test. So this tool uses your photos to create multiple listings or drafts automatically. I mean, how cool is that? I wish Poshmark would jump on this train. I've used this so far on shoes and clothing, and it's supposed to write the titles and auto-populate all of that information for you. So today I am going to walk you through how it works and share my thoughts and see how accurate it really is. So what I'm going to be testing it on is some clothing. I have some hard goods, I think just one hard goods, and a backpack, a purse, shoes. So I'm going to test out all the categories that I mainly sell with. I don't know exactly how they get their information. I know they use AI to generate all the information, and if you know anything about AI, you know it's always learning. So the more it's used, it learns more. And the last time that I used it, it didn't do well with the clothing. It did okay with the shoes. It was able to write information like the title and actually automatically fill in all those details that are time consuming when you are listing on eBay. And so that was nice, but it didn't do it to all the shoes. It only did it to, I think, a couple pair. So I'm not sure like where it pulls the information, if it's just like from the tags and, you know, the style codes that they put on things once in a while. So I am going to test it out and see how well it would do with all these different items that I photographed today. So let's hop on over to my computer and I will show you how it works. Okay, so if you go on up here to sell, it'll take you to your listings, your active listings, unsold, drafts, scheduled, ended, etc. And if you click over here on the create listing, this will show up. Hopefully it shows up for you. I don't know if this is like rolled out to everyone. Hopefully it is. Multiple listings from photos, so you go ahead and click that. And so this is where it tells you how it does and what you need to do. So it converts the photos that you upload to drafts. Skip the hassle of creating listings from scratch. Upload your photos and we'll handle the rest by using your photos to prepare drafts for you to review. Organization pays off. When uploading, select your images in the order you want them to show up in each of your listings. Tip: minimum size for photo is 500 by 500 pixels. So now when you go over here to select the photo count, you can do up to 12, and I like to do 3 because it's the fastest, but once you move on to the next screen, you can also upload more. So I'm just going to do 3 to make it easy, and then you hit continue, and so this is where you upload your photos. So I have them all ready right here, and I have, like I told you, a bunch of different items and categories to test this with. So I have 1, 2, and which one should we do here? I think I'll do this one, 3. Okay, so here we have some jeans. I'm going to do this 1, 2, and 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I have this backpack here too, so I'm very interested to see how well this auto-populates. 1, 2, 3. And then I did purse as well. Oh, sorry, my contacts are like drying out. I need to blink. Blink, woman, blink. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So then you click and drag. I'm using an iMac or a Mac Mini, and if you hit command and then click on the listings, it will select the ones that you're clicking on. Okay, so here I'm going to add some more. Wait, can I just drag them? Oh yes, I can. Oh, I can change. Where'd that go? Where'd it go? I don't know where it went. Okay, desktop, this one. Can I add more? Oh, you sure enough can. I wasn't sure if you actually could. I'm actually going to get rid of this one because I already have that one, and I already have that one over here. So, okay, first image is done. How do I, okay. I don't know, can I not like drag and drop? No, okay. You're just gonna have to keep seeing my, oh, okay, nice. Okay, so I need this one, so what is that? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Any duplicates there? No. I'm also curious to see how it handles the measurements that I have on here. So that will be interesting to see. So I got these two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And I'm also curious to see if it will put in SKUs. I don't know if this is going to register this number here as a SKU and this as a weight. So I'll be curious to see how it does on that. Let's get some of the more Lululemon pants. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I don't think this one has 12 pictures. So we'll get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, you can only do 12 images at a time. So that's kind of a bummer. Maybe they'll, in the future, increase that. Who knows? Okay, wait. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, sweet. Because before, what I was doing when I was first trying this out, just seeing what it was, I was just doing 3, and then I would have to go back in to the listing and add all the rest of my photos, and that is also time consuming. So it's nice that they let you do it all right here too, because I don't take the same amount of pictures for everything. So I might take 5 photos of a shirt instead of like 7, you know. So I like to stick with 3 and see how that does. Okay, wait. 12 or 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I got way too many here. I think I will. I want those tags in there because I think that's where it gets the information from. Let's do the back. There we go. So that should be 12. There we go. And you can drag and drop, and as you can see here, this is going to be the main photo. Okay, moving on to the purse, Kate Spade purse. So I got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, I guess 12. See, like that one, I'm gonna have to go back and add more of those photos. But for now, we're just testing this out. We're just testing it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Nice. Okay, so we got all the pictures that I want, and I'm hoping, because this is something that I didn't do last time, I didn't add more photos. So I'm hoping with the more photos that I add, that it helps it create the title and auto-fill in all of that information better. So let's see. So next we go to generate drafts and see it did not do what it said it would do. Not even with the shoes. That's a bummer. Yeah, so it says we've generated these listings based on the photos you've uploaded. And the red exclamation, it says select a category to continue. And so based on the photos you uploaded, title can't be pre-filled. Enter the title to help us pre-populate more information. So that is annoying that it doesn't do exactly what it says it's supposed to do. So I'm just very curious to know what this works best with. Like what kind of hard good items, or like what clothing items? Is it like a name brand thing that, you know, helps it create listings better? I really don't know. It's a new thing, and like I said, I don't know how long this has been rolled out. So yeah, I guess time will tell. Hopefully it gets better as time goes on, but I'm going to fill in all the titles real quick. Okay, I didn't create any. I had ChatGPT write up the titles because it's faster. So I'm just going to input all of them, and we're going to see how well it does on entering all the item specifics. So there's that one. I wonder if it's still going to select a category. Yeah, it's not even selecting a category. This is crazy. Like when I did this before, it would at least have like a top, you know. But now I have to go in and do all of that. And something else that I actually really like about this is that if you want to edit them all at once instead of going in one by one, this is actually pretty helpful. I don't know if there's like another way that they have that you can do that, but this I find to be pretty easy to use. Okay, so now let's go up here, and well, it looks like it filled in this one, the Lululemon, and it already had the Kate Spade on there. So what is this? I don't even know. Pro audio equipment? I don't know, this thing was given to me. And I'm not sure what. I guess I'll just, oh, it's not musical. I guess I'll just do this one. So you can go save and next, jeans, and it usually has it on the first suggestion top here. That one already did it. Good job. This one is already done. Great. See, and now shoes. They didn't get the shoes, which is so surprising to me. Backpacks. I don't know if that's a hiking. Oh yeah, it is a hiking backpack. I had ChatGPT actually look that style up, and that's what it came with. So I will double check it, but and it's not auto-populating. Why? Okay, Okay, also something that I like is the skew thing over here because I can input it all. And you can also do like prices, and sometimes I don't understand why it does yes and no. So I go over here and I bulk edit everything, and I hit offers, allow offers, apply. And sometimes it also like can't figure out like where I'm shipping my items from, like the item location. So I also do that one too. And if I want to do promotions on these items, I can also do that. I just do a single ad rate, and I always do 2. And I think that's it. Oh, and return policy. I also change that one to paid returns because I don't do top rated seller thing anymore. So there you have it. You have 9 listings you can save for later, or you can submit them all right now. So that's great. But I'm actually going to save for later, and if you look here in your drafts, they're all right here, ready to go. But I need to fix some things and redo this one because I can't seem to figure out what the heck, what category to put it in. So yeah, a little bit bummed that it did not work quite the way I was hoping it would work. But hopefully as time goes on that the tool gets better, or eBay changes some things, or something, because it does not work the way they expected it to work, or maybe I'm not using it right. You let me know down below if you have used this tool on eBay or if I'm not using it correctly. Because that might be the problem. I could also not be using it properly. So I am going to end this video, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.